Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to all people. We are Group 6. We'll present about electrical applications in life and its impact to the environment. Introduction. Electrical energy is one of the most important factors and as a backbone for the industrial development, urbanization, and economic progress of any country. Before that, electric current is used to power equipment and in electronics that deal with electrical circuits involving active components such as transistor, diodes, and integrated circuit. Have several forms of conventional and non-conventional energy can be found in nature and are used to produce electrical energy to meet human needs in life. For example, the energy of sunlight that have generated through solar panels that allows cars and things to move. Our group will focus on the electrical application. First, in transportation. Second, power generation and distribution, and communication and information technology that have demonstrate the variety and critically function of electricity that plays in modern life. First is electrical application on transportation. The application of electricity in transportation had a transformative impact on the industry that significantly improving efficiency, sustainability, and safety. This used electric motors instead of combustion engines in vehicles. Leading to improve energy efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Also, this application include a variety of electrical components ranging from vehicles and charging infrastructure to control system and energy management more easier. For examples, for electrical application on transportation, first is battery electric vehicles. For example, BMW i3, a compact sedan with high-capacity batteries that can fully charge in under 6 hours. Second example is electric trains, such as rapid transit system in Budapest, Chicago, and New York City, and also underground train system in Sydney and Melbourne, Australia. Lastly, hybrid ship. For example, ferry happiness. The electric ferry from Taiwan, Kaohsiung City government, that to be the first in ASEAN. It is estimated to save more than 25,000 liters of fuel per year while reducing local emissions. Important or impact of electrical application in transportation. First is reduction in emissions. This is because electric transportation using renewable energy. Electric vehicles and electric buses can significantly reduce emission. For example, electric buses can reduce emission by 96% compared to the diesel buses that use 100% renewable energy. Second is energy efficiency. Some way to improve energy efficiency in electrical transportation is like optimize energy management. that can reduce the amount of energy needed for onboard, such as heating and air conditioning system. Last but not least is growth of new industry. The electric vehicle industry is growing rapidly, with sales is expected to continue to increase. Like electric cars, in 2023, sales of electric cars were expected to reach nearly 40 million, with a share of total sales increasing from 4% to 80% in 2020. Also, by the end of 2024, sales are expected to reach around 70 million. That representing a more than 2,000% year-on-year increase.
Applications on communication and information technology. Electrical applications in communication and information technology involve using electrical systems and devices to send, receive, store, and process information. This includes things like powering computers, enabling phone calls and internet connections, and supporting technologies like Wi-Fi, data centers, and smart devices. Examples of electrical application on communication and information technology are smartphones, Wi-Fi routers, and satellite communication. Next, importance of electrical application on communication and information technology. First, facilitating communication. Electrical systems power telecommunication networks, enabling instant communication via phones, video calls, and messaging platforms. They support wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G for seamless connectivity. Second, enabling data transmission. Electrical systems convert data into signal for transmission across fiber optics, satellites, or wireless networks. High-speed internet and streaming services depend on these technologies. Last but not least, global connectivity. Electrical application make it possible to connect people and businesses across the world through satellite communication, internet services, and social media.
Importance of electrical application on power generation and distribution in daily life. First, global connectivity. Electricity powers communication system, enabling global connectivity and access to information through the internet and telecommunication. Second, technological advancement. Electrical power is the backbone of innovation, powering tools, machines, and devices that enhance productivity and quality of life. Third, reliable energy supply. Power generation and distribution system ensure a continuous and reliable supply of electricity, supporting essential services such as healthcare, transportation, and emergency response. Next, negative and positive impact with mitigation strategies to reduce negative impact of electrical application on power generation and distribution to environment. The negative impact is e-waste and material pollution. Equipment used in power generation and distribution, including batteries, transformers, and grid infrastructure, can generate electronic waste and release harmful substances if not disposed of properly. The positive impact: renewable energy integration. Modern electrical applications promote the use of renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power, reducing dependence on fossil fuel. The mitigation strategies to reduce negative impact is ensure proper recycling and disposal of electrical equipment and infrastructure. Lastly, the conclusion. Although electrical application in transportation, communication and information technology, and power generation and distribution have significantly improved modern life, they also present ecological and societal challenges. In transportation, advancements such as electric vehicles and electrified public transit systems have reduced carbon emission but require sustainable energy source and efficient infrastructure. In communication and information technology, The proliferation of devices and networks has enhanced global connectivity, yet contribute to growing energy demands and electronic waste. Similarly, power generation and distribution have enabled reliable energy access, but the dependence on non-renewable resources and environmental impact remain concern. To address this challenge, the promotion of renewable energy sources, energy efficient technology, and responsible consumption is essential. Recycling practice, sustainable resource management, and continued innovation in green technologies will play a key role. Striking a balance between technological progress and environmental stewardship is vital to ensuring a sustainable future that supports both human development and ecological preservation. That's all from us. Thank you.